In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink phone from Windows 11. If your phone is currently connected to your Windows 11 PC and you no longer want it linked, the process is simple and only takes a moment. This can be useful if you're switching to a different phone, troubleshooting connection issues, or just cleaning up devices you no longer use. To get started, open Settings on your PC. A quick way to do this is by clicking the Start menu and selecting Settings. Once the Settings window opens, look to the menu on the left-hand side and select Bluetooth and Devices. This section is where Windows keeps options for connected hardware and linked mobile devices. After that, click on Mobile Devices. Here, you'll see the area where phones connected to your computer are managed. If you've linked a phone before, this is where it should appear. Next, select Manage Devices. This will open the list of mobile devices associated with your Windows 11 system. Take a moment to find the phone you want to unlink. Make sure you choose the correct device, especially if more than one phone has been connected in the past. Once you find your phone, click Remove. Windows may ask you to confirm the action, so if a confirmation message appears, go ahead and approve it. After that, your phone will no longer be linked to your PC. And that's it. Your phone has now been removed from Windows 11. If you ever want to connect it again later, you can always return to the same area and set it back up. This is a quick and helpful way to keep your device list organized and make sure only the devices you actually use stay connected. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.